Welcome to 2501 36th Street Southeast, located in Southview. This 3-bedroom up, 1 full bathroom, comes with a separate side entrance, and it has a suite in the basement, a 2-bedroom suite, and it has a full bathroom. It also comes with a double detached garage and also RV parking. Go on in and take a look. As you can see, this is a great home for an investor. If you need any more information, please do not hesitate to give me a call. 403-667-9869 on my cell phone. Again, it's Barb Desautels with CIR Realty.